Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into iCloud and make sure Find My is enabled on the lost device. This allows location reporting. Once done, open the Find My app on another Apple device or go to iCloud. Sign in with the same Apple ID. Make sure location services and Wi-Fi or cellular are active so the device can send coordinates. Otherwise, you'll only see the last known location. Now, tap the Devices tab to start locating the gadget. You select the device from the list to view its live location or the last known coordinates. The map gives bearings and an estimated accuracy radius. If nearby, tap Play Sound to make retrieval simple or get walking/driving directions. This uses Apple Maps for the route. If it's remote, enable Mark as Lost to lock the device and display a contact message. Additionally, allow offline finding so nearby Apple devices can relay its location anonymously. You recover the device by following on-screen directions or answering the device's sound. If someone returns it, make sure you unlock it and verify identity. If recovery fails, erase remotely only as a last resort to protect your data. This prevents further tracking. For troubleshooting, check iCloud status, your network connection, and the device's battery. If location is offline, wait for it to connect or enable Notify when found. Lastly, contact local authorities for stolen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.